This channel generated over $500 to $8,000 in the last 30 days, and this happened to be a faceless YouTube channel, and they mostly post about motivational stories, which have generated millions of views in the last month. But in this video, I'll be showing you how you could do the same thing using this free AI tool to automate everything from channel branding to script writing and to voiceover. So if you like what you see, I'll appreciate if you subscribe. First, I have ChatGPT to generate 30 YouTube channel name ideas for a motivational channel. I got all these amazing names, but I decided to go with Go-Getter. Now the channel name is created, I have to add a profile picture and a channel banner. I use this free AI tool called Leonardo AI, a free AI platform where you can use to generate AI images. I created an account, username, and selected my interest. Then I get to choose a role that best describes me. I click on this storyline, then I selected image generation. I got 350 tokens to use every day to generate any images, and I'll get to see how much each generation costs. I pasted my prompt and I asked this AI to generate an image of an old owl with glasses reading a book. I got the image I wanted and I clicked download. For the banner, I used Canva and I saved for YouTube banner. I got all these varieties. I went for this one and I selected and changed the name to Go-Getter. Then I was done. Now time for the challenging part, the scripting. Of making a motivational story, targeting a group of people who feel lazy in life but want some strong motivation to stay active. So I asked ChatGPT to generate 10 short motivational story ideas for someone who is lazy in life and the story should be able to motivate them. ChatGPT was able to generate all these amazing story ideas, so I selected the one I liked, then I asked it to generate a short story on that story idea. I was going to use capcut for the voiceover, but first I had to do the visual since I was going to use capcut for the video editing. So I asked ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt for each paragraph that I can use in an AI image generation platform. I got all the prompt from ChatGPT and I copied and pasted it on Leonardo.ai, then I got this. In capcut, I copied and pasted my script and I selected text to speech. I chose one of the voiceover that was good for narration and I clicked to generate the voiceover. When I was done, I edited my audio and image together. I clicked on auto caption to generate the caption and then I added some background music to it. Then I clicked play.
In the land of Lazuria, there resided a king named Roland. He had inherited a splendid kingdom, but his indolence had turned it into a stagnant and dreary place. While the citizens toiled tirelessly, day and night, King Roland chose to indulge in idle pleasures, neglecting his duties as a ruler. One fateful day, a severe drought befell Lazuria, plunging the land into despair. The crops withered, and the people cried out for assistance. However, the king remained oblivious, lounging in his opulent chambers, burdened by the absence of leadership. The farmers and merchants turned to one another for support, forming a close-knit community. Among the commoners was a humble farmer named Tobias. Despite facing adversity, he tirelessly
On YouTube, I added the title and the description that I got from ChatGPT, then I click post. Like and subscribe and see you on the next one.